Guys, the title of this video is "This Market Cipher B Tip Changed Everything." And although that's true, I want to be fully transparent with you, and I want to let you know that I clickbaited you a little bit, okay? Just a little bit. It is a Market Cipher B tip. However, it is paired with this other indicator called TR Main. Now, for the ones that have been around on the channel, you guys know my only two indicators that I use on TradingView are Traders Reality Main. Okay, let me go here to indicators. Traders Reality Main, this one right over here, and Market Cipher B. Now, Traders Reality Main is this here with the vector candles. We've talked about vector candles before, but I will make another video just talking about vector candles later on. But for now, just know price likes to go where the vector candles are. So if price rises and it's green like this, we at some point will expect it to come back and recover this green vector candle. Okay, I'll get into detail on it on another video, but for this strategy, for this all you need to know. Okay, now what is the strategy? Let's talk about it. Okay, so when we see a nice green vector candle like this, we know at some point that market maker is going to send it down and recover this. We don't know when, but we know at some point they are very likely, it is very probable that they're going to come back down and recover that. Okay, same with this red vector candle here. So that's all you need to know right now for vectors. Again, I will go in detail moving forward. Now, the second indicator that I use, obviously you clicked on this video, is Market Cipher B. Now, for those who may not know, Market Cipher B is an oscillator. It is a premium oscillator. It is pretty expensive. I'm not going to lie. Okay. However, it is the only indicator really, or only oscillator that you need when trading. It is by far the best indicator in TradingView, 100%, not a question, not even comparable. There are free variations of it. However, I do think in the long run, it is absolutely worth it to have Market Cipher B. Okay, and if you don't take my word for it, which I don't know why you wouldn't, hop in the Discord. They'll tell you the same thing. The link is down below. Which reminds me, the first digit for the VIP Discord will make it a 7. Let me write it down. 7, okay, is the first digit for the VIP Discord. Now, what is the strategy? I'm going to hop on the higher term time frames because it's a little bit easier to see. But I want you to pair Market Cipher B with our vector candles. It's a very simple strategy. It's very, very easy, okay? On whatever time frame you're trading, all right, pay attention here. Whatever time frame you decide that you want to trade on, whether it's the hour, whether it's the 5-minute, whether it's the daily, whatever it is, I want you to look at your oscillator. I want you to look at Market Cipher B and analyze Market Cipher B, okay? Let's look back in time to what happened just, I don't know what day was this, move this thing, 6, what's today, 7, yeah, so just yesterday, okay, so we had some green vectors followed by some red vectors. So this is our principle. We know that they like to recover the vectors, and they did, okay. However, they recovered it with red and pink vectors, all right. I don't know if you can see it on my screen, but my Traders Reality settings are a little bit different, but these lines here are a little bit faint, but this essentially shows me liquidity. This shows me the vector candles that have not been recovered. Okay, so as you can see, this green vector candle, there isn't really a large, like a white space like there is on these ones, because this vector has been recovered, similar to this blue vector here. If you come down, you'll see all these. Anyways, what's our strategy? So let's look at Market Cipher B. Let's look at it objectively, all right? And let's go a little bit back in time. Price dumped yesterday for like pretty much the whole day. It dumped, right? And then we have this green dot right over here. Obviously, we know green dots are technically bullish. Obviously, you're going to look for other confirmations and, you know, figure out, just analyze the chart and pick a direction in which you think that price is going to go to. And I teach you how to do that in other videos. But we have a green dot right over here. Now, the strategy is very simple. When you have a green dot, or when you're expecting price to potentially go up, look at the vectors, okay? This is something I preach day in and day out in my Discord. Look at the vectors. This is the money. The money is here, which means, okay, which means if you caught the short from anywhere here, let's just say you shorted yesterday, cool, congratulations, you're up. Once we have this green dot, and mind you, we got some bull divs and whatnot. Once we have this green dot, you automatically have to pay attention to the vectors on the same time frame that your green dot is appearing on. So we're using the hourly as an example right now. We know that market maker likes to come up for his liquidity, right? The market is moved by money. The market maker pays money to send it down here. Okay, so there's a profit that he can realize up here. We know market maker likes to go for it. So what's the strategy? When you see a green dot, or a red dot for that matter, you have to be prepared for money flow, for the price to come up to the vectors that you can see present in the chart. In this case, right now, if you're short, depends on how you trade, but on the hourly, technically you would have to put your stop loss above here, not because retail teaches you to put it above the swing high, no, but because this is liquidity. So we know that market maker is likely to come up to this point. We have a green dot here, which means we can expect it to come here. Alternatively, if you're looking for shorts right now, you have to be prepared for price to come here. So if you're going to short, if you for whatever reason decide to short right now, and this is your entry, you need to make sure that you can sustain this much of a drawdown, because at some point market maker is going to come up for this liquidity. It might happen now, it might not, but you can't say that it's a surprise. Okay, a lot of the times people always say, oh, why is it pumping, why is it dumping, whatever, and I go back and I show you guys, like, just look in hindsight, why is this a surprise? So today is, what day is today? Today's the 8th. Today's the 7th, okay? Today's the 7th of July. If you're seeing this video after the 7th of July, come on Bitcoin, come on KuCoin. I don't use KuCoin, but this is a clean chart. That's why I have it up right now. Come look at these vectors and see what happened. Did we recover them or not? And if you decided right now that on the basis of this red dot that you wanted to short, okay, cool. You made that conviction in your mind. Maybe you went to smaller term time frames and you decided price is going to continue down. And it very well may. But you are not allowed to be surprised if price comes anywhere up in this zone right here. Okay? Again, time in and time out, people are like, oh, why is it pumping? Why is it doing this? Is there news? Is there that? No. It is just very clear in the chart. It's right in front of you. Okay, guys, the second number for the VIP is going to be a 1. Let's hop on the daily. Let's take a look at what happens on the daily. Very good example, right? We're still on Bitcoin. Oh, whoops. We're still on Bitcoin. We had this red dot, and we have this red dot. Technically, this is a bearish divergence. Do I think it's going to play out? Maybe not. I would say that the daily is kind of neutral because money flow is coming up. Yeah, we have this bear div, but I like to see big humps, right? Like not bear divs on the same wave. I like to see bigger, but it could happen. But nobody's allowed to say, oh, I'm so surprised. Why is price coming down to 26K? Whatever, because it's right there in front of you. The market maker cannot hide his plan. He is present in the chart. When you see vector candles, that is market maker moving the price. When you don't see vector candles, market maker is just sipping the Kool-Aid. Okay? So I need you to pair market cipher B with the vector candles. And this is why I preach that vector candles are so important. The third number for the VIP Discord is a 0. Okay? So it's very, very important that you pay attention to the vectors. And again, this is the last time I'm going to say it. This works on all time frames, right? So let's go in real quick to the 3-minute time frame. Right now, the 3-minute off the bat looks pretty bullish. I'm not going to lie. We have money flow coming down, yes. However, price is failing to make a lower low, right? So we're still higher. We're getting hidden bull divs in terms of money and on the momentum waves, right? So price might come up, sure. Based on the hourly, price might come up. I think that this might clip and turn upwards. Cool, right? So now we made our conviction that we think price may come up. Let's come on the 3. Let's just say you're scalping, and let's just say there's a level here, right? Right off the bat, you can see there's some liquidity here. Now, this is not a big vector candle. For those who know about the vector candles in more detail, you know that market maker likes to recover at least 50% of it, which it did so right over here. So we can not ignore this vector, but it's not as important as a vector that has not been recovered. And of course, guys, like, you know, you're going to look at your EMAs and other confluences as well. It's not just long when you see a vector candle and so forth. But we cannot be surprised. You cannot be surprised, okay, if price comes up here. And if you do, I'm going to ask you in the Discord, did you follow the money? Because there's no excuse. Market maker cannot hide his moves, right? Look at the 2 hour, same as the 1 hour. These are vector candles. If we had this green dot, you can expect price to possibly come up here. Look at this. On the 2 hour, we had a green vector candle, and now it has been recovered, right? So what's to stop market maker from trapping all the longs here, which is what happened, now ripped it down. These longs got liquidated. Keep in mind, we're talking about the high leverage traders. So these guys are underwater now. Perhaps they switch and they go short now, and only for market maker to rip price back up. Okay, so this is how you want to think. This is how you need to think in order to follow the money. And that's something I say all the time. Follow the money. Follow the vector candles. If you have a green dot on Market Cipher B and you got vectors above you, price can go there. Regardless of what you think, price can and probably will. Oh my goodness. I ran out of... my thing expired today, my Pro, and I just haven't put in my credit card yet again. Okay. But yeah, price can go up there. So there's absolutely nothing to be surprised at. If it decides that it wants to go up there, you can't say that you didn't see it. Guys, the last number of the VIP Discord is going to be a 6. That's pretty much the strategy. It's not really a strategy, but it's a tip. It's a very big tip. It's very, very important. It'll open up your eyes to potentially opening up shorts, in this case, too early, or longs too early, or whatever the case is. It'll save you a lot in the long run. Now, you're still going to want to do your technical analysis for sure, but you need to know where the money is, and you need to follow the money. And a lot of the times, if I didn't even do technical analysis, I could just look at these levels. It's already marked out for you. Vector candles are a hack. It's like having goggles that can see through clothes. It's a literal hack. You just need to know which way to look. And that's all it is. Now, guys, if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the tip, please make sure that you join the Discord. The link is down below. We have a great community. We're over 350 people, I believe, in there now. I'm about to hit 600 subscribers, and I just hit my monetization hours. So I will be monetized soon on YouTube, and I'm very excited for that. So I want to thank you all for whoever's been here from the beginning, up until the people that are here now for the first time. If you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're here again, welcome back. But I very, very much appreciate the support over the past couple months. I can't believe how much I've grown in the last 2 months, and I can't believe I'm already here. Price is kind of dumping right now. Oof. But it's just recovering this vector. We can't say we were surprised, right? And then you could pull your fibs and whatever. Anyway, that's another video. So, yeah, make sure you join the Discord down below. Make sure you join the community. We're in there all day. We're talking all day, TA and whatnot. And I also have, as you heard throughout the video, a VIP Discord that is free, where I post my levels and I hop in and I do live streams and so on and so forth. So make sure you join the Discord. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. Content's not stopping. I'm getting a lot of great feedback. Whoever made it to the very end, guys, I very, very much appreciate it. Appreciate all y'all. Follow the money. Use this tip on all time frames. If you're scalping, use it on the 3. If you're trading, if you're day trading, use it on the daily, whatever the case is. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy trading. Bye.